Enter your credentials to access the platform. To assign assessments in bulk, navigate to the Assessments module located in the top navigation bar. Select the assessment you want to assign users within the Assessments module. After selecting your assessment, navigate to the Users section. This area allows you to manage student enrollments, assign tests, and seamlessly handle simple or bulk operations. In the Users section, click on the Bulk Enroll button. This feature enables you to assign the selected assessment to multiple students at once, saving you valuable time and effort. Before proceeding, carefully review the provided instructions for bulk enrollment. These guidelines ensure that you correctly format your data and understand the steps involved in the bulk enrollment process. If you prefer adding users manually, click the Add Row button. Enter each student's details such as name, email, and any other required information to enroll them individually into the selected assessment. Once you've entered all the necessary user details, click on the Enroll Users button. This final step assigns the selected assessment to all the listed students, making it accessible for them to take the test. If the number of users you're enrolling exceeds the maximum limit of 50, you'll need to follow additional steps. This ensures that the bulk enrollment process remains efficient and manageable, even with large student groups. Take a moment to glance at the sample CSV file and accompanying image provided. This sample illustrates the correct format and structure required for bulk uploading, helping you prepare your data accurately. Here is a visualization of the sample CSV file. Ensure that your CSV follows this format, with columns for each required user detail, such as name, email, and other pertinent information. This sample image shows the CSV file after filling in the details. Pay close attention to how it has been formatted. Once your CSV file is properly formatted, click on the Upload CSV button. This action will import your list of users into the system, allowing you to enroll them in the selected assessment efficiently. After uploading, you'll see the results of your bulk enrollment. This shows which users have been successfully enrolled and highlights any issues that may need your attention. Once users are enrolled, you can schedule specific test times for each student or group by toggling this button. This ensures that all participants have a designated time to complete the assessment, maintaining an organized and structured testing environment. Provide the necessary time schedule. Click on Save to finalize the process. On the user side, students will access their main dashboard. From here, they can navigate to their assessments. They can view upcoming test schedules, access all assigned tests, and review their previously attempted assessments. Bulk enrollment simplifies the process of assigning assessments to large groups of students. By following these steps, educators, teachers, and admins can efficiently manage and track student progress, ensuring a smooth and effective testing experience for everyone involved.